Welcome back to Product Zone. Are you guys tired of having the same old blue color or green color or yellow color chainsaw? Today, we're gonna unbox and check out the pink color chainsaw from Saker Mini Electric Chainsaw, one of the best seller company on Amazon. This thing is a 6-inch portable. I'm telling you, fast charging, amazing high quality, because I do have a couple of their product, and I'm telling you, it's a really good company. Not because I'm doing a video, on Product Zone here, we try to bring you, clean and nice, honest review as possible. And this is a nice, beautiful hard case, especially you want to toss it in a pickup truck or your car or wherever you're gonna go cut some stuff. And now, oh my god, look at this baby right here. Now this is amazing. So we come with a screwdriver here. I'm going to show you guys. It comes with a screwdriver. We're going to take a quick look, and I'm going to test it out to show you. And Saker Company does not give you an empty bottle. They give you a bottle with oil. Always remember to oil your chainsaw blade. A beautiful pink glove with spotted white grip to give you a nice grip. Make sure it's clean. And always the manual. Always read the instruction, or just watch Product Zone. A nice tool so you could tighten up or change your blade, or if it's loose, which is a big plus in the chainsaw world. And now this is why I love this company. Now we got one chain here, we got a second chain, and a third chain. So you're not, in case one chain is dull or one chain, something happened, you have replacement. Other company, you have to pay a fortune to get that. So now, isn't she amazing? Look at her. Beautiful black and pink. Oh, feels really good. This is not a cheesy chainsaw or company. This is legit, and it comes with two batteries, by the way. Look at that. And you could tell the company is good when they put it in bubble wrap, and the kids will pop the bubble wrap after. And don't forget, check the description box below for price and details, and I'm gonna leave the Amazon link so you guys could go ahead and find it right away. And don't forget, I'm an Amazon affiliator. I do work with Amazon. You don't get anything extra charged. Same price, same thing. So every chainsaw is the same thing. The battery, you just clicked it in. Look, oh my god, that was it. And then right here, you got a safety button. Look at that. Now I could hear the power in that. Now, we're not done yet. We have a goggles for protection, and we have a little charger. Comes with the head part. So most company don't. Most company jip you on that head part. This company does not. This thing is easy. I love this. This is a big plus. So we're gonna go ahead and test baby girl out, see how powerful she is, because she's a 20-volt mini electric chainsaw and very powerful. All right, so we're gonna put this to the test real quick. I'm gonna show you guys right here. Look at that. I'm gonna cut a clean piece. Let's go this angle so you guys can see right here. Look at that. I'm not put, and then we got that safety right there. See that? So this makes clean cut, like literally clean cut. Always remember your safety. Put your goggles on. All right, let's start this up. Never force the chainsaw. Always just let it cut. I didn't put the battery to charge it. I forgot actually. But not because she's pink. She is powerful. Look at that. Oh, the battery definitely needs to get charged. Clean cut. Look at that. All right, we're gonna cut a piece of this 2x6. I'm pretty sure. Hopefully. You don't get a chain if you don't have any circle saw. Don't forget, this is wood. It's coming from the tree. See that? This bad boy is not messing around. Check in the description box for price and detail. Get your chainsaw. Get a chainsaw that counts. Got a good price. Got a good review. And the repetition from this company is always good. I tell you, for all this stuff that comes inside and the quality of this chainsaw, it's definitely worth it. So check in the description box, read up on it, get the best price. They have a couple days. I noticed this company always gets some discount going on. So check in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe. And any question, comment below. We will answer your question on Product Zone right now. We've been doing our best right now to keep up with everything and keep you guys knowledgeable. See the tool and learn about a tool or any product before buying the product. Always check out the review, check out a video like this on Product Zone. So this way you know what you're buying, you know what you're getting, and you know if you're getting a good product or not. I gotta tell you, the price is not expensive for this. Trust me, I do have some expensive chainsaw, and this is a good budget price. Very powerful, and it's beautiful pink. Come on. You guys gotta love this. I'll see you guys next time on Product Zone. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more reviews.